Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Buds, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset the earbuds on this watch. First, we need to put the earbuds back into a case. So grab your watch, open the case by pressing the button right here. Once the case opens, flip it open and put the earbuds in. They're magnetic, so they're gonna snap on quite quickly, like that. Once you put them in, close the case. Something went wrong. Okay, this time it closed. And once you close the case, open the menu by pressing the side button. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. Here find the manage earbuds option and tap on it. And then scroll down, find the option called more settings. Then tap on reset earbuds. And then tap on the check mark to confirm. Okay, and once you see this message, it means that the factory reset is complete. And then you can press the side button again to go back to watch face. And that's how you factory reset earbuds on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.